So like I said,
okay, shoot.
are you good? Hey guys, welcome back. So today is the moment you've all been waiting for. I am going to be threading my beautiful husband's eyebrows. So to get a good clean look, please keep on watching. For this threading, you guys are gonna need some thread, just like a really thin little string there. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, just clean thin thread for the eyebrows, and then lotion. First things first, I am going to measure my forearm, right? Okay, and then I'm just gonna cut off, you know, to where my elbow's at. And then I'm gonna tie 2 knots, just like that. Okay, there's 1 knot. I suggest you guys don't do the knots if you guys have acrylic nails, because it's so hard. Okay, so just like that. It's a little circle, whatever. Okay, so now you're just gonna put your 2 fingers, your index finger and then your thumb, just like that. And then you're gonna twist it around like 8 times. I think that was 9, but it's okay. It's gonna look like that. Okay, so now, we're gonna clean up the top, and you see how the hairs are all going this way. You're gonna use this side. Let's see. So you're gonna use this side to like yank off all the hairs. So you're gonna go upwards. Oh. No worries, guys. So excuse that tear. If it rips apart, you guys just do another one. Don't worry, it always happens. If you guys are putting too much like force or whatever, just go ahead and get a new one. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, so I just showed you guys a little example of how you guys are going to be threading. So I'm just going to get some lotion and then just put it all over the eyebrows. Okay, so when the hairs are going a different direction, like that way, you use this side of the thread. And then you just thread it. It's kind of like scissors, but not technically. Okay. It does take practice, guys, so if you guys want to practice, try doing it on your arms if you guys have hairs on your arms.
All the way. legs.
Or yeah, you can practice on your legs. Or your little peach fudge. Wait, peach fuzz.
Peach.
Okay. Okay, so the eyebrow should look clean like that on top. Just really smooth line. Doesn't have to be like to perfection. If you guys want it really straight, then y'all can go ahead and do that. So let's just move on to the bottom. So with the bottom part, this is probably the worst because it's the most sensitive skin. But you're gonna ask your spouse, whatever. Okay, so babe, he has to lift up his like eyebrow, just like from right here on the hairs, so I could be able to grab the bottom. So I recommend the opposite hand from the eyebrow that you're doing, so that you have like more space to clean up the bottom. So the bottom part too, when you guys are threading the bottom or cleaning up the bottom, you guys do it this way. So you just pull up your eyebrow again. So you guys are gonna just look for a hair, any hair, and then just the triangle should be like on the hair, like this. How it should be like that. Let's see. Just trying to make sure it's good. And then you just pull on this side, and then just go up, and then it'll just yank out whatever hair that you are wanting to be cleaned up. I totally recommend threading instead of tweezing, because with tweezing you guys just pull more skin out pretty much, and just one hair at a time, so you guys are wasting like your whole day trying to pull that one hair sometimes. So when this happens, when the knot just gets caught up in your like little scissor, you just grab it, you pull it, so you just grab it and pull it. It's out of the way, it's back where it was. Okay. The middle, the center part, you guys
I have a unibrow.
are just gonna grab and pull depending on what direction the hairs are going.
Ow, my eyelid!
May I have your attention, please? May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up?
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look for the first one. Babe doesn't like them too thin, so that's how they're gonna look. So he looks like a guy, you know.
I better be looking like a guy.
So that's it for this one.
Alright ladies, what she forgot to tell you, if you got one or two little loose hairs around there, use your tweezers, even though she told you she doesn't like them, but one hair, come on.
Yeah. So that's what I highly recommend for tweezers, to just yank out the one or two that you guys have after threading. So you guys get a better definition, like right up here. Like I need to tweeze out just like a couple, or maybe let me just clean it up. So fetch. Okay, so you guys can totally do this to yourself. If you guys want, I can do another video on myself and showing you guys how to do it on yourself. You don't really have to thread other people's eyebrows or whatever, but I'm just showing you guys how.
Hi, I'm Tom.
I'm just showing you guys how you guys can do it. So I'm just gonna finish this other eyebrow and I'll show you guys the finishing look.
I repeat, will the real Slim Shady please stand up? We're gonna have a problem here. Show y'all act like you never seen a white person before. Jaws all on the floor like Pam, like Tommy just burst in the door and started whooping her ass worse than before. They first were divorced, sewing her over furniture. It's the return of the... Oh, wait, no, wait, you're kidding. He didn't just say what I think he did he? And Dr. Dre said, nothing, you idiots. Dr. Dre's dead. He's locked in my basement. Feminist women love him.
Okay, guys, this is the finishing look. Babe, here's a mirror. Do you like them? I'm gonna take a little brow brush and just kind of brush out all the axis of the hair. And then for this part, all the hairs that are on the face, you just, you know, just slap it around. Okay. Okay, let me see. Always important, guys, to brush your eyebrow hairs because they need some love too. Huh, boo? Okay, so that's the finished look. Okay. Okay, there's that. This part, I don't know what, that wasn't me. He's always had that, so.
The birth defect.
Yeah, that. So anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this little threading tutorial. Probably didn't speak much about it, but if you guys have any questions, just comment down below and I'd be happy to answer those for you guys. Okay, guys, so that's the end of our video. I hope you guys have a blessed day and I hope you guys like this tutorial. Babe, get down a little bit. Let's just show you guys one more time. Oh, that's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys continue to watch our channel, our videos.
Keep watching, Mr.
And Mrs. Hope to see you guys.
Please stand up, 'cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady.